Hey everyone, my name is Jet with ProLine Range Hoods, and today we're doing something a little different than what we normally do. We're gonna teach you how to make crème brûlée. We're here in our showroom. We're gonna actually use the appliances in here and show you how to make this delicious dessert. And let's get to it. So this recipe calls for 6 of these 4-ounce ramekins. If you wanna make more or less, just plan accordingly. So this recipe only calls for 5 really household ingredients. We're gonna start with our heavy whipping cream. We have 2 cups here, and then 6 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna put it into the saucepan and bring it back here to a broil. Not a boil, but a broil. All right, so I'm going to put the heavy cream in. Oh yeah. Get that all going. Now we're gonna add our 6 tablespoons of sugar. And then we're just gonna let that soak up and put it back here on our pan or on our stove. Before we turn on the stove, we need to add our vanilla bean. This is a Madagascar real vanilla bean. This really enhances the flavor of the crème brûlée. So we're gonna start with opening our package. We're gonna take out 1 vanilla bean. And then we're just gonna split this vanilla bean right in half. You want to run this super strong against the vanilla bean so that we can open up these beans so we can really get that into the mixture. There we go. And then we're just going to scrape this out. Perfect. Scrape. And then we're just going to put this right into the heavy cream and sugar mixture. We'll put the whole bean in the mixture as well. So while we're waiting for that to warm up and broil, we're gonna separate our yolks. We're gonna start with 4 eggs and try to separate these as best as possible. We got a little bowl here. We're gonna just put our yolks in there and do our other 3 eggs. So now we're gonna put our egg yolks into a separate bowl because we're gonna introduce our cream here in a second. All right, like so. Perfect. And now, oops, we're gonna take our whisk and just whisk around for a second. Perfect. So now we're gonna add in our cream mixture to our egg yolks, but we need to make sure that we strain it. The reason for this is if we leave those millions of vanilla beans in, it will make it taste super bitter. Okay, so we're gonna bring this mixture over. We're gonna put it in. We're only going to do about 1 cup in there because we don't want to cook or curdle the egg. So we're going to do about that much. And then I'm going to immediately start. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Oh yeah, it's already starting to smell super good. Perfect. And you probably can't see it here on the camera, but we're removing millions of, oh, there's the vanilla bean. Perfect. Now we're just gonna whisk that. Perfect. Okay, so we're almost done. We're now going to fill up our little ramekins. Right now we're boiling some water because we're gonna do a water bath because this really helps it cook evenly and just gives us that nice smooth texture. Okay, let's hope that I don't mess this up. I have a pretty good eye for this. Oh, perfect. We're gonna fill it just above that line. Yep. Perfect. Okay, so now that we're almost ready, we're gonna add our water when we're a little closer to the oven, but these are gonna cook for 40 minutes at 300 degrees. All right, we got our crème brûlée baked. One thing you wanna look out for is if it has a little jiggle, then it's good. You've baked it correctly. And now we're gonna put it in the fridge to cool. All right, guys, so it's been about 4 hours. We're gonna now do the very much so fun part, the bruleeing portion of the crème. We're gonna start with just a light dust over the top, like so. And you want to get around into the edges. Yep. Now that we've lightly dusted the creme brulee with sugar, we're going to use the torch. It's super important to be careful when you're using the torch. It can be very dangerous. Also, we want to make sure that the flame isn't super close because we don't want to burn the sugar. The burnt sugar is not very tasty. We want a nice caramelized taste. Okay, who's ready for this? We're gonna turn it down a little bit. All right, now we're caramelizing. Oh yeah, she's starting to warm up a little bit. Ooh, I can smell her. This is nice. We're not going too close, too hard. We're getting the edges. All right. And there we have it, creme brulee. It's a perfect little treat for little sugar pick-me-up or holidays or whatever special occasion it may be. Let's try it, shall we? All right, let's do this one. We like that nice little, can you hear that? I got a little bit of the glass in there. Right there. Nice, okay, now we're just gonna dip in. Oh yeah. Nice consistency in the custard. Okay, let's try it. That's delicious. The nice crunch of the sugar. You gotta try this, guys. That's good. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about the recipe, and enjoy this. I'm gonna get more. It is so good.